Hi, hello friends, my name is Aditya. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about my new USB cable which I got from aliexpress.com. Ugreen micro USB cable, cowboy braided. I got today only this in this packet, and it was inside this. It is a thick plastic as you see in the picture. And I got this 2 coupons also. I don't know what it is used for. So I'll show you the cable now. This is the cable which I got from aliexpress.com, and this strap I got with it. It is the holder, I guess, and this is also holder, you know that. See, this is the actual wire which I got from aliexpress.com. It looks very thin according to website pictures, but it looks very strong and it charges very well. I tried also, charged my cell phone in 90 minutes, I guess, 0 to 100, and I hope it just lasts long. It took 27 to 25 days to reach India. Thank you so much. Have a good day, guys.